Nice and lovely. Going to make a nice little lovely green juice. Alright, now this is my container right here. I got some spinach in it. Because I wash off the spinach, I'm going to put a handful of spinach inside of the blender. I got a piece of root ginger, fresh organic ginger. Just come from Jamaica. Just gonna put a piece of ginger inside of it. We have some lemon. Just remove the seeds. Once you do that, cut into half and put it straight inside of the blender. We got some cucumber. I'm gonna put it straight inside of it like this. Alright. Let's see if we can put more. Teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And a pinch of water. Not much water here, guys. We don't use too much water in it, please. It ruin it. Alright, just free it up the blender now. So this is what you want to drink first thing in the morning before your breakfast. Alright guys, so if you at home, you know what I mean, as I say, if you're at home, this is what you can drink first thing in the morning before you eat your breakfast. Now we're just gonna simply blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. It won't take long. Shake it down now, man. Like a shot, you know what I mean? You don't want to drink too much, you know? Ah, beautiful, nice. Yeah, beautiful one. So that look nice and lovely. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Healthy green juice. Good for your body, you know what I mean? Make your body healthy and nice. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning into the show. Got a lot more recipes. Subscribe, clicking the notification bell. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Alright, my name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you some of the best recipes in this whole entire world. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.